Model, 64-plate Citroën Dispatch L2 long wheelbase, 2.0 HDi 125 van Enterprise 6-seater factory crew cab very clean van. Open mouth smile. Body, silver, crew cab. Mileage, 104,538. MOT, 26 February 2024. Engine, 1997 CCDW10CDD. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox, drivetrain, transmission perfect. Pulls in every gear. No lights on the dash. Does exactly what it says on the tin. What a lovely tidy van this is. Get in fast before it's gone. Okay, hand medium light skin tone. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Features, 1 former keeper, part service history, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternative